Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 27 of the Flylady's Beginner Baby Steps for Getting Your Home and Life in Order. We'll continue working on our habits in our daily routines. I made sure to list all of the steps down in the description. Today, we need to add another step to our routine, and it's to think about what we're making for dinner. This helps to get rid of the chaos that happens around dinner time. A quote by Flylady: "A little menu planning can go a long way toward feeding your family and saving money at the same time." I started to meal plan when my oldest was a baby. My meal plans have changed throughout the years. It even changed earlier this year, but our favorite meals have stayed the same. What I recommend is to get a 2 or a 3-inch binder. Then, on a blank piece of paper, write down your family's favorite recipes, whether it's breakfast recipes, lunch recipes, dinner recipes, or your favorite dessert recipes. At this point, you're just jotting down the names of your recipes. Then, set your timer for 15 minutes to work on your recipe binder. Find your family's favorite recipes online and print them off, or type up your recipes and print it off, or just handwrite all of your recipes. This will take a little bit of time, but this will save so much time in the future when you're looking for your specific recipe. Now, instead of looking for your recipes online or in your cookbooks, you'll have a special recipe binder. In my recipe binder, I love having dividers to separate all of the categories, and I put all of my recipes inside a plastic sheet protector. This way I can have the recipe by me while I cook without having my big recipe binder taking too much counter space. And if the recipe gets dirty, I can just quickly wipe it clean. If I want to try a new recipe, then I put the recipe on the side of the binder. This way I know that we haven't tried this recipe, and if it's a fail, I wouldn't add it to our family's favorites. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see a step-by-step process of my meal planning. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.